Start off now with Jeremy Tung, who is joining us by phone, live on phone from Coventry. Jeremy, I understand right now you are under an overpass, and you're seeing a lot of activity around you. Rain coming down. Are you seeing lightning? Jeremy, can you hear me?
Okay, apparently we're not. We're having a little trouble, though, hearing Jeremy on the phone. But we do have some breaking news, which Fred alluded to a little bit earlier during his tracking of the storm. The National Weather Service, we have confirmed through them that a man in West Greenwich has been struck by lightning. We are working on getting a crew to that scene right now. It happened just about a half an hour ago. No word on his condition at the moment. Again, we've got a crew at the scene gathering the facts, and we'll bring you the very latest information as soon as it comes into our newsroom.
Right now, though, let's try to go to Parker Gavigan, who is live outside in Providence, sort of in the middle of it all. Parker?
Parker, what can you tell us right now from the scene where you are at this very moment?
Well, we're looking right out at Orm Street right here. Let's take a look. Let's let the camera do the talking here. Orm Street, torrential rains. Just in the last, we can go down, Dave, pan down. Look, you're looking at a couple of inches of water that just filled up on the sidewalk here in a matter of 3-5 minutes. Torrential rain, lightning, thunder. Traffic on Orm Street, though, the cars are at a standstill right now because of a stoplight, but traffic is moving smoothly on Orm Street, across the street from the Marriott in downtown Providence. But the drivers, obviously, headlights on, dealing with dark, ominous-looking conditions out there, and the rain coming down very, very hard. It's keeping us right here in a door frame safe, away from the lightning. And we're here, guys. Back to you.
Parker just alluded to it right now, being outside that ominous sky around him. We have a weather, back here in the Weather Center, Fred has a window that he's been looking out of, and all you see is darkness.
And also we're taking a live look right now, or we were taking a live look at I-95. There we go. As you can see, the torrential rain just downpouring on the highway there. Of course, there's most likely ponding, some serious ponding going on. A situation like traveling right now, listening to us on the radio on 87.7. Please keep those speeds down and be very, very careful as this very dangerous storm moves in. But let's go, let's head back on over to Fred Companion now for the very latest is what's going on. Fred.
Well, Paul, likely to see some flash flooding, some ponding on the roadways, as you mentioned, with this storm producing such torrential rain in such a short period of time. The storm still hammering Providence, although the leading edge of it now moving through the city and into the western part of southeastern Massachusetts. So let's go back now to the live digital storm tracker XT, and you see all those colors on there indicating the real heavy rainfall that we have right now. It is still coming down. We're still hearing that rumble of thunder. We'll get back in nice and tight here and take a look at Providence, where you see anything that's not green, yellow, or darker orange. That is some heavy rainfall, and right now I'm seeing some of the darkest colors that I've seen on the digital storm tracker XT, indicating just how heavy and intense the rainfall is that we are seeing from this storm system. But as I mentioned, it's not one that's stationary. It is certainly moving along. It's one that we can track, and you'll see that little rotation icon there right around 195 right now. That is one of our tracking points where we can pick it up. The storm is moving, accelerating actually, off to the east-northeast, and it'll be in Rehoboth, probably already in Rehoboth. Then it moves into North Rehoboth by about 14 minutes from now, and then eventually up into the Meadowbrook area. So this storm cruising right along, but it is not weakening. It is still a very intense storm system. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect right now, and we have actually have a tornado warning, which is in effect right now for northern Bristol.